Hey guys, I wanted to tell you a little problem I'm having with Mick, but also kind of like try to come up with a solution. And whenever I think about a problem and I think about a solution, I try to think of something with Liberty horse training. Like, how can I use wild herd dynamics to solve this problem? So right now we have Mick the Mustang. He's a very opinionated guy. You know, he has like a 4-acre field there, but right now he knows we're gonna do something fun because I picked up his favorite ball. Do you guys play with ball with your horses? So he's down here kind of going, I'm gonna pace the fence line until you bring me in and we're gonna do something fun, aren't we? But the thing that we're gonna do that's fun, we're gonna turn it into something fun, is that we have this horse trailer. So okay, he didn't want to go in the horse trailer the last time very much. And so what I'm gonna do is just, I've got the horse trailer. We'll go ahead and look at the horse trailer before we get the horse. We've got the horse trailer all open. So I know not everybody can do this with their horse trailer, but we can. And I thought, you know what? If there's ever an emergency with the horse trailer, they're gonna have to know where the exit door is, right? And that they can jump out of it anyway. So we have, what I wanna do is have the horse go in off the ramp. So I don't know if you guys can see me here. Good boy, you're gonna have to wait. We're gonna play ball, see? You're gonna go in off the ramp. They're gonna come through here. And then they can just jump out here. Or what happened last night when we were playing around with this is that Mick jumped in here and out there. And that's fine. I'm trying to train them that it's fun to get in the trailer. It's not stressful. And that gets us into something else that's really, really important. And that's food. So this is special food. This is pears and apples and carrots. And so I don't give the horses treats unless we're doing something like this. This is like really big for them to get a treat. If they got treats like this all the time for doing nothing, just for standing there and looking pretty, then they wouldn't mean much. They're high value treats, right? So it's really important to save your high value treats for when there's a problem or when there's a special training that needs to be done, if that makes sense. So just remember, treats are for high value things. They get food all the time. They constantly have food. Like right now, he's on 4 acres of field, so lots and lots of food. So I'm gonna put the treats right here so that when he comes in, I'll just give him a treat. And that way he can smell and associate the inside of the horse trailer with the treats. So we got the ball, we got the treats. Let's see what happens.